Okay, here's an example of a really, what I would consider to be a heavily soiled carpet. Video never quite shows it to the extent that it's heavily soiled, but you can see, if the camera's picking that up, deep staining here, here, there, here going into the closet. You can see this staining, and there's my life savings laying there. And going over toward the doorway, you can see coming off of this wood floor, there's always a lot of oily residue on floors caused by products like Bona that people use. And it causes this traffic pattern here that you see. And whoever was coming through this house or lived in this room was just someone who spilled a lot, probably a child. But we'll clean it with the Rotovac system and show you the after. Stand by. Well, if I do say so myself, it came out great. All that spotting, all those deep stains are gone. That spot right there is just an indention in the floor from the former furniture. As you see, some more indentions from former furniture. But you can see how well that traffic area cleaned up. All these stains that were in this floor, in this carpet, gone. This carpet looks brand new. The Rotovac system, 256-886-9100. We are your exclusive Rotovac cleaners. Kleaneasy carpet and floor cleaning. Look at that beautiful carpet. That one was just as bad.